morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So we have to start off with the fourth question for today. Right? We have done till question number 3 the previous day. Let's start off with the fourth question from exercise 8.4. Clear? 1 plus sec a and 1 minus sec a. It's the most simple numerical that you'll ever get. First of all, you have to convert sec into cos and then take the LCM. Cos gone. We are left with cos a plus 1 only. Okay? Cos a plus 1. You need not go to the RHS portion. Once you get the LHS as cos a plus 1, we simply rationalize. Cos a plus 1 cos a minus 1 divided by cos, you take it 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a, and over here 1 minus cos a. Clear? Now a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, so we can easily write 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos a. Yes or no? Any doubt? This will be written as sin square a and this thing as it is. Do we have the RHS portion? Check. Yes or no? Bolo fast. If yes, then start copying it down. If no, then ask me right away. Just convert it into cos and then take the LCM. Cos goes off. You are left with this cos a plus 1. Then I did this rationalized portion. Clear? I'm pausing the video, kindly copy it down and let me know when it's done. This is the first time that your classes attendance has gone past 20. It's a big achievement for everyone. Congratulations everyone. I don't know why, what has happened suddenly, but I feel really good that you people have. Cause of internal assessment. Yeah, Swastik, I know. I know Swastik, yeah. Now things have started to change. Swastik, I really appreciate that you have been so straightforward, but try and be less straightforward in the class, because sometimes straightforward people don't understand how straightforward is straightforward. So some people, they cross the line also sometimes. Okay, but this much is okay because of internals. Okay, Swastik and everybody, you can share here. There a bit of crack, a bit of joke in the class, but that line should never be broken. Is it clear? Recording, yeah, it has started. So moving on to the next numerical, we have question number 5th from exercise 8.4. Can you see the numerical? This one. Now this is a particular kind of numerical where you have to do it using cosec square a minus is equals to 1 plus cot square a. Okay? You have to use only this. There are other methods of doing it which is far simpler than this one, but you will have to make use of this cosec square is equals to 1 minus cot square a. Clear? Now I would expect people to start trying this numerical. Okay? I'll give you exactly 4 minutes to do this numerical. This is kind of a numerical which will give you a hint that you have arrived to class 10 and you need to be a bit serious about what you're doing. Okay? I'll pause the video. I'll expect you to try this numerical, and people who are done with this can show me your copies and I'll see whether you have done it fully correctly or not. Hurry up. Divide by cos sin theta, then convert everything to cosec. And obviously you'll have cot also out there, since you have only two people were able to do it. I don't think that's completely correct. First of all, you have to divide by cos sin theta. So when you divide by sin theta, you will be left with cot a minus 1 plus cosec a divided by cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Is it clear out here? Yes or no? When you divide this thing by sin, where's my pen? Yeah. When you divide by cos by sin, you will get cot. We have a cot out here. Sin by cos, sin by sin is 1 and 1 by sin is cosec. This is how we have got this step. Clear? Now what we'll do out here is simply you'll be using instead of 1 you'll be using this cosec square minus cot square. Is it clear or not? Can we write this? No? Confirm? Now you say, so how did you get a plus out here? Since minus is outside, we have taken common, so we'll be getting plus out here. And keep in mind that in denominator, you don't have to use that formula. Only in the numerator, you'll be using that formula, and you have to take common from here. You have to take this one as it is, and cosec minus cosec as it is, and you'll take, you write this a plus b into a minus b. Which one? Cosec square a minus cot square a. A plus b into a minus b, and then you go on to take cot a plus cosec a as common. Take cot a minus cosec a as common. When you take common, you will be left with cosec a minus cot a, and rest of the things as it is. And you see out here that numerator and denominator gets cancelled, and you are only left with cot a minus cosec a. This is a very important numerical, very important, and we have one more kind of numerical in the examples of NCERT. So examples, you will be doing it. This is a very similar kind of numerical. I hope people have understood this. If not, then do it step by step and ask me in which step you have doubt. I'll pause the video for the time being. And पहले तो ये बताओ that if you are done with this or not. If you are done with this, question number 6 and question number 7 will remain your homework. Okay? 6 and 7 will be homework, and I'll pause the video.